Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lamont, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Roseland, South Shore, Chicago Lawn, Burbank, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Palmer Glen, Blue Island, Dalton, Park Forest, Homewood, Alfred, and Madison. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 277 and 280. Interstate 57 between mile markers 338 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 143 and 155. Interstate 90 between mile markers 104 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 61 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 61 and 74. Interstate 355 between mile markers 8 and 10. This includes Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Moraine Valley Community College, Prairie State College, and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio.